नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर संदीप गौते आप सबका मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ग्रुप फॉर ऑल में स्वागत करता हूं। आज के वीडियो लेसन में हम बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट ऐसा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच डिस्कस करने वाले हैं और टाइटल है पन। स्पेलिंग आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखाई देगा, स्पेलिंग देखिए PUN पन। आज हम ये वीडियो में देखेंगे what is the meaning of pun, what is the function of pun and different examples of pun. So देखते हैं pun का meaning क्या है exactly. Now please see on the screen what is given. Now I am going to read what is given there so you can understand the meaning of the word pun as well as what is this figure of speech. तो first point यहाँ पे देखिए, a joke exploiting the different possible meanings of a word or the fact that there are words which sound alike means homonyms but have different meanings. Dear students, what is this? Pun is nothing but a joke which is exploited, which is made with the help of a word and that word has different possible meanings. And what is given there after or the fact that there are words which sound alike. ऐसे कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हमें सेम लगते हैं इन प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड दे हैव अ लाइक प्रोनाउंसिएशन बट दे हैव डिफरेंट स्पेलिंग्स एज वेल एज डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स. सो ऐसे जो वर्ड्स होते हैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में दे आर यूज्ड टू मेक और टू क्रिएट सच काइंड ऑफ फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. एंड व्हाट इज द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच? पन, PUN. आपको एग्जाम्पल्स थ्रू ये क्लियर होने वाला है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पन एग्जैक्टली. बट आपको यहाँ पे ये जो वर्ड्स दिए जो हाईलाइट करता हूँ मैं आपको वो देखने. एक है जोक एंड विच इज मेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ व्हाट डिफरेंट पॉसिबल मीनिंग्स ऑफ अ वर्ड. ऐसा कुछ वर्ड होता है जिससे कि बहुत सारे मीनिंग्स होते हैं. और दूसरा क्या है? होमोनिम्स. होमोनिम्स का मतलब क्या होता है? ऐसे वर्ड्स है जिनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन अलाइक होता है लेकिन उनके स्पेलिंग्स और मीनिंग्स अलग होते हैं. तो देखते हैं ऐसे वर्ड्स कौन से हैं एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सच वर्ड्स वी कैन यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. सेकंड पॉइंट आपको यहाँ पे देखना है अभी क्या दिया है. अपन a literary device. Yes, this is a literary device, means a figure of speech is a play on words that produces a humorous effect by using a word that suggests two or more meanings or by exploiting similar sounding words that have different meanings. Now this is clear over here. What is the meaning of pun? It is used for what? Humorous effect, to produce humorous effect. For the sake of fun you can say sometimes. And the most important thing, what? Such kind of words suggest two or more meanings. एक ही word होता है लेकिन उसके दो या फिर उससे ज़्यादा meanings होते हैं. And such words can be used what? By exploiting similar sounding words that have different meanings. Already I discussed with you this one, homonyms, this part. Words often confused. So this is the meaning of the word pun. Now we are going to discuss what is the function of this particular figure of speech. So functions of pun. Now here you need to understand what is the meaning of function. Function मतलब क्या होता है? Usage. So where to use this type of figure of speech. Now what is given? Puns add profound meanings to text and shape the way in which the text is interpreted by the readers. क्यों use करते हैं? Because the reader should interpret that particular text. That is why this part is very important. Look, this one. Shape the way in which the text is interpreted. Interpreted means what? Understood by the readers. किस तरीके से रीडर्स को समझना चाहिए उसी प्रकार से वर्ड्स वहाँ पे यूज किए हुए रहते हैं. सेकंड पॉइंट देखिए, by playing with the words the writers reveal their cleverness. Yes, this is very important. Cleverness and the cleverness of their characters also. So even the authors are using such kind of figures of speech for the sake of what? There are many figures of speech in English language and you must know all. At least if you are the English language lover, or you can say if you want to learn in detail about particularly figures of speech are used in poetry. There are some they can be used also in prose section also, but here we are talking about only पन. सो फंक्शंस ऑफ पन. यहाँ पे आपको देखा क्या दिया है, यहाँ पे राइटर्स कैन रिवील व्हाट देयर क्लेवरनेस ऑल्सो. उनका भी स्किल यहाँ पे हमें समझ आता है इफ दे आर यूजिंग सच काइंड ऑफ यू कैन से व्हाट फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच. थर्ड पॉइंट, बिसाइड्स मीन्स इन एडिशन टू, puns in literary works act as a source of comic relief. क्यों यूज किए जाते हैं? एक कॉमिक रिलीफ होता है, समझ आता है हमें. सोर्स, दिस मीन्स व्हाट, if there is something, if the text is serious, text means what, the meaning is serious, and in that case there should be some kind of comic relief in between. In that case puns can be used, or an intentional effect on the part of the writer. Sometimes they can be used intentionally, means purposefully, to show his or her creative ability in using language. So on the screen you can see what, all these are the functions of pun. So here you need to understand what does it mean. Now we are going to discuss different examples of pun. आपको यहाँ पे अभी एग्जाम्पल समझना है, एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ पन. यहाँ पे आपका कॉन्सेप्ट जो है क्लियर होने वाला है. अभी तक हमने मीनिंग डिस्कस किया है. एट द सेम टाइम वी डिस्कस्ड व्हाट, फंक्शंस ऑफ पन. नाउ सम एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन ओवर हियर. नाउ which is the first example? Oscar Wilde's comedy. And what is the title of that comedy? The Importance of Being Earnest. What is the title? The Importance of Being Earnest. Now this word is there. This is in red color. This word is there. What is the meaning of earnest actually? Surname in the comedy. Look now. Two meanings are there. Same word, two meanings. And earnest means what? Another meaning, serious minded. Okay. So in English language, the meaning of earnest is serious minded. But in this title of Oscar Wilde, so what is the meaning of this one? This is the surname in his comedy. Now here you need to understand this is nothing but the use of pun. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या होता है, इस प्रकार से अगर words use किए जाते हैं तो that is called what, pun. Now it means what, this is the comedy, and such puns can be used even in prose section also. Now what is their second example? Eye drops off shelf. Now this word is easily you can understand. Ambiguity is creative. The eye drops are sold out. Eye drops. So this is related to medicine, right? Second one, an eye falls off a shelf. Means what? Eye drops. What is the meaning of eye drops actually? Cleansing. What is that? Cleansing liquid, and drop refers to the verb fall from certain height. So here you need to understand. Two meanings can be understood with the help of, you can say, in this particular sentence, eye drops off shelf. Now next example we are going to see of this figure of speech. What is the third example? Third example is given here. Now I am going to read the example. Third one. The tallest building in town is the library. It has thousands of stories. Now here you need to know the meanings of what? This particular stories means what? Story. A pun on the difference between stories in book and stories in floors. What is that? Stories in a building. Stories means what? Floors. And what is that? Stories means what? Tells. T-A-L-E-S. So here you need to understand what is created over here. Pun. So this particular figure of speech is used. What is the next one? A horse is a very stable. Now what is the meaning of stable? So both the meanings of the word stable are used. One that means calm. Okay, stable means what? Calm. And the other that means a place where horses are kept. Now a horse is a very stable. So here you need to understand how different words can be used which have different meanings, and you can understand they can be used for the sake of what? To create a humorous effect. तो इस प्रकार से हमने क्या किया है, मीनिंग ऑफ पन देखा है, उसके बाद में हमने देखा क्या है, फंक्शंस ऑफ पन एंड देन एग्जांपल्स ऑफ पन. So thank you so much dear students. I request you all to subscribe my channel, then like and share the video. Thank you so much.